Did you accidentally send your VeChain on your Tangem wallet to the wrong network? So you've not selected the VeChain main network, you've selected the Binance Smart Chain? Don't worry, your assets are not lost. In today's video, we're going to show you 3 very simple steps how you can restore your assets and send it to the right address. Step number 1 is very, very simple. Just grab your smartphone and open your Tangem app. And you can see here, I got my VeChain and the Binance Smart Chain address already set up. And I had sent as a test from an exchange already 215 VeChain coins to this address, exactly this address. But as you can see, nothing shows up on that wallet. So let me show you how we can figure that out. And I really ask you, please follow all that 3 steps, because if you're gonna jump over one of that steps, you will not be capable to withdraw your VeChain coins to the correct address. Okay, so step number 1. What we're going to do is we're going to go to manage token. And what we do is we hit the plus sign here at the very top. We go to networks and do the select of the networks, the very last one, VeChain over here. Once we selected that, we have to go to the very bottom, the BIP44 coin type, and we hit here the correct network. So what we're going to do is we check the BNB Smart Chain in parentheses M/44/60/0/0/0. And by checking that, the only additional thing we need to do is add token. And as you can see at the very bottom, here we are. This is my Binance Smart Chain wallet address with the 215 VET coins that I sent previously. Okay, what we also have to do is manage token, search for VET, and here comes a very, very important and special thing. Once you hold VeChain on your Tangem wallet, you get as a staking reward VeChainThor token. The VeChainThor token are very, very important, because without VeChainThor token, you are not capable to send VeChain to another address, because these are gas fees. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to check VeChain mainnet, and we also check VeChainThor.net. And by save changes, we add both networks to our Tangem wallet. Okay, as you may see right now, this one here got a different wallet address than our mainnet from VeChain, because for sure 2 different chains. But no worry, I'm going to show you the next steps, how we can make sure that we can transfer our VeChain we have on our customized token address here to our mainnet. Okay. What we're going to have to do additionally is to send right now VeChainThor token to our VeChain address where we accidentally sent the very first time the VeChain to it. Okay, so how you're going to do that? You go by receive, copy that address, go to an exchange, buy some VeChainThor token. You need at least a very small amount of 2 to 3 VeChainThor token for a transaction. Generally, it's really below 1 VeChainThor token. But for safety reasons, I would recommend you transfer 5 VeChainThor token to your Tangem wallet already. I did that already. So on my incorrect wallet address on the Binance Smart Chain, I have already VeChainThor token sent. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go by, check my mainnet address, go to receive, copy my correct wallet address, hide it, go back, go to my customized token where I have my 215 VeChainThor coins on it, go to send, pass the correct address in there, check it, okay, it's correct. And I go to the amount and say maximum amount. And with that, you can see right now, he's asking for the priorities. I can say low, normal, or priority high. Let's say priority high, it doesn't matter. You can see he's asking for 0.42 VeChainThor as a network fee, as a gas fee. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and you know, it's very simple. I'm gonna grab my card. Some of you know that important card here. We did our drilling and also shooting tests and also the burning and the forklift test. And this card is still working, ladies and gentlemen. That's really phenomenal. So what I'm gonna do, I say send, and I'm gonna tap my card to my phone. So let me show you that in another display here. Et voila, transaction already sent. So, and after clicking OK, I'm gonna wait a couple of seconds. And as you see right now, the transaction is already done. By going back, go to my main VeChain wallet, swipe it down. you see my VeChain coins are already there. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is a very simple way how you can send your wrong sended VeChain to the Binance Smart Chain to your new VeChain main address. If you do not see that feature in your wallet, please go to your App Store or to the Google Play Store and download the latest and greatest version. Thank you so much. Bye bye.